I'm leaving to go on a trip to go to my brother's soon-to-be university, and because they have college orientation stuff. So the trip is 3 days long, so I need to pack. We're staying in dorms, and the dorm is definitely 1,000,000% gonna be cold, so I need to pack extra clothes and blankets and make sure that I'm all good, plus snacks for the car ride. So yeah.
Pack with me for my brother's college orientation. Yeah.
Here's my packing list, and I have to pack all of that. So first, I feel that I should start with my clothing. Next day, and I just finished packing. I'm taking this bag in my purse, so that's not as much as I would usually take, so I'm pretty proud of that. Yeah, I gotta get going.
Subscribe if you want to, but if you don't, that's totally fine as well.